On this rainy episode of Walking Around with Herb, we're in Helsinki, Finland.
Finland has 187,888 lakes and 179,584 islands. Both are world records. We started our day by driving into downtown Helsinki to Senate Square. Landmarks and famous buildings surrounding the square are the Helsinki Cathedral, the Government Palace, the main building of the University of Helsinki, and Söderholm House. Next we went to Porvoo. Porvoo is Finland's second oldest city, founded in 1346. It's about 30 minutes east of Helsinki, and it's one of 6 medieval towns in Finland. The central point of Porvoo is the Porvoo Cathedral. It belongs to the Evangelical Lutheran Church of Finland. It was built in the 15th century, although some of its oldest parts date back to the 13th century. The old town of Porvoo is recognized as historically and culturally significant as one of the national landscapes of Finland. Next, we traveled to the Saimaa region and the 100-year-old family-run Savijarvi Farm and Homestead. The family greeted us with a light Finnish lunch and homemade dessert. Hello. After that, we were invited to see the horses that have been bred and trained here for 4 generations.
How old is this barn?
This one is from the end of 1800. And you know, when we had cows here first, when we built it up to be a stable, and EU standard, then we opened the floor, and under we find building ground from 1400.
Wow.
Every year on October 13th, the Finns celebrate Day of Failure to allow people to open up about their problems in life and gather encouragement from society and others who have suffered similar fates. There are more than 3 million saunas in Finland. The Finns drink more coffee than any other country in the world. Finland has only been an independent country since 1918. Before that, it has belonged to Russia or Sweden. Finland is the most sparsely populated country in the European Union, with only 16 inhabitants per kilometer.
So that's all for this episode of Walking Around Helsinki, Finland with Herb. If you like these videos, please subscribe and we'll see you next time.